vlog. If y'all can notice by the title. As of today, my cousin is going to, well, she's going to go get to see the doctor that used to be my doctor like 15 years ago. So I'm like literally excited because I'd seen him like maybe like a couple years ago when I was with my mom and that, but that's besides the point. And also today she's gonna get ultrasound done, so get to find out the sex of the baby, which she cannot find out until Saturday, which is gonna be having a gender reveal party. Sorry, I'm like literally excited, so forgive me if I'm like but yeah, it's just a, it seemed like an exciting day, and yeah, so I want to bring y'all along with me on this journey, what I'm gonna be doing, because this Saturday I am going to be the host of her gender reveal party. And yeah, so but today she's not gonna know that what sex of the baby she's gonna be having today. So yeah, so I'd like to take y'all along with me, and I'm so excited. Okay, so while I'm going, driving to my hometown, and gonna meet my cousin there. She's like almost there, and so I told her it's gonna take me like 45 minutes or less to get there. But since I want to come on here also to tell you why I haven't, been content, putting up content regularly, and that because I know it's been like 3 weeks since I posted a video, which was my last video. I'll link the link up here because I can't remember right now. What I've been noticing is that me not getting enough sleep. Let's see, like right now it's like I have a cold, but I, don't normally, like this time of year, especially when summer's almost here, I don't usually get a cold, and I've been having pains in my right leg, because I think, what was it, maybe I think it was like last month maybe, that I was just sitting on the bed, because if y'all remember with me having what I did to my back a couple years ago, I think it was about 3 years ago, when I pulled my left side, at the time when I was living down south of Florida, and a month ago, I think, I was just sitting on the bed, watching TV, and I was like, okay, I need to, grab the remote, because the remote is always, somewhere in the bedroom. And of course, my boyfriend, he had the remote on his side of the bed, on his table. And I'm like, oh, gravy, I have to reach over and grab the remote, and whoa, hello, you need to back your ass up, dude. You know what, I'm just gonna stop, because you got brakes, right? Anyways, so when I was grabbing for the remote, radio was gonna keep on going off and on, because it's been doing that since yesterday and the day before that. And when I was grabbing for the remote, it was just like I kind of like bounced a little bit over to grab the remote, and also I feel something go pop, and I'm like, oh shit, not this one too. It's aggravated. So now I've been having like mostly pains like past my knee, in pain like always. Now it's like I can't hardly sleep, because below my knee I'm always having pain there or having sciatic nerve. It's a little bit different than what I did to my left side. My left side has been doing okay. Every now and then I'll get a pain in my lower back or in my leg, or sometimes both of my legs past my knee will be hurting. And let's see what else. I've been dealing with like recurrent of like vaginal yeast. I feel like I have like no like energy, but even though today I have like somewhat energy because I'm like excited. I want to go, find out the sex of my cousin's baby, and then tomorrow get to do a little, shopping, go into Party City tomorrow, and just get a couple, items, party supplies, and basically what I'm trying to say is, like all the stuff I've been having, plus nail fungus, like my thumbnail, my right thumbnail, my right hand, my pinky, getting a split on, both of my nails, but they're trying to heal, but it's like this thing that I have, which is candida, and I'm it's like I've been known for a while. I'm like, okay, I have this nasty candida and everything, but I've been doing like a lot of research and watching a lot of videos on here on YouTube and finding out, that my candida is just out of balance. I've been eating too much carbs, too much fat, like processed shit probably. And what this guy's doing. It's like I want to make it to DeLand without no accident. I'm surprised, and my eyes are like messed up too, plus having a brain fog as well, with these symptoms, and I've had it like for a couple weeks now. I think because last year it was pretty bad last year, with all the symptoms, like I don't know what I was actually doing, why it was causing me to have, all these crazy symptoms, and, some be saying, no, oh my God, my brain's not functioning right, so just forgive me for that, and, it's like, I hate feeling like this, I really do. It's like I wish I could just come on here, make a video, for you guys, and think, everything's okay. But it's like no, it's like I can't function that way. It's like that's just basically what I want to let y'all know what has been going on with me, and this is kind of like the good side of me trying to do something for my cousin, even though I feel like shit. And yeah. Oh, there's a dog there. Oh my God, I'm surprised he didn't go by the road. I hope that little guy doesn't get hit. You know what I mean? It's like, damn. So whenever we get to the appointment and everything, which I'm sure I'll get there pretty early, and my nose is gonna be going crazy. I'm surprised I can actually drive feeling like this. My eyes are watery. Now I have like this little, it's kind of weird, I have like it almost looks like it's an allergy reaction. Because I got a dog, because I got Bella, and I'm wondering it's because I'm allergic to pet dander or something. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get to my cousin's appointment. My cousin, right over there. Okay, so we're in the waiting room, and we just found out that she's gonna be getting an ultrasound done. We'll get to see the doctor, but gonna try to. So, okay, so they didn't get to let us, videotape or take pictures inside the room. So this Saturday, y'all get to find out, or she gets to find out as well, what she's gonna be having. And I'm like a little excited because, this is like my first time, doing something like this for her. And tomorrow I get to go to Party City to get, stuff they had like for gender reveal. And yeah, and we already like earlier we went to Walmart. Um, Me and this girl that lives like next door to her. Um, we were like trying to figure out what we're gonna do with the cake, since this could be like a short, small um, um, sheet cake, and it's gonna say boy or he or she, and but inside the cake it's gonna be blue. So it's gonna be like a marble cake. I'm like, I guess a marble cake will, look okay. And I mean, it's just gonna be eaten anyways, right? I mean, but yeah. So I'm like a little excited, and yeah, I can't wait. Saturday would be well, y'all already know, but she doesn't know. So yeah, I cannot wait. And we got a picture also with the doctor, Dr. Raji, since I was like, can I get a picture with you? And that, and he was like, yeah, sure, And so we got a picture with him. I'll post a picture of him like right here so y'all can see it. And yeah, so it's like old generation to new generation. It's like, and hopefully pretty soon also I'll be getting this Candida support that's supposed to be coming in the mail today. So once I get that and start taking it, then I'll come on here and give y'all like an update on how it's working and stuff like that. But right now this video is about my cousin's sex of the baby. So alright, I guess I'll see y'all on Saturday, because I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. So alright, so see y'all Saturday, or see y'all later. party. Oh my goodness.